Okay, Tech Explorers, I thought you'd like to see an oscilloscope view of the Theremin Siren. What this oscilloscope is showing you is what the voltage looks like as a function of time on the output pin of the oscillator that drives the speaker. Okay, so here's the Theremin Siren, and you'll see the frequency of the waveform go higher and lower as it's making the siren sound. And the higher frequency is when you see it bunched up tighter together, and the lower frequency is when it's more spread apart. Alright? And if I take light away, it slows down. And if we mess with the 10 mega ohm resistor,